everyone, it's the Vegan Foodie here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and make sure you follow me on Instagram at the Vegan Foodie. So today we're going to be talking about something totally different. We're not going to be talking about vegan food. We're not going to be talking about books that I've read, but today I'm going to tell you how I personally manifested over $10,000, how I manifested going viral on TikTok, how I manifested business coming in for the Vegan Foodie East, and actually even how I manifested my new boo. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys how I created sigils and how I use sigil magic to manifest the things that I desire. With everyone into manifesting and creating and setting their intentions and raising mass consciousness from 3D to 4D to 5D to 6D, as I was talking to my son today, I decided to make this video for you guys because right now you're at home, and so it's like, why not use this time to manifest the desires that you want, that you need, and the things that will make you happier in your life. Even if you're watching this after the lockdown, you can still use this to manifest the things that you want in your life. And so we're going to talk about sigil magic, and I'm going to show you how I make a sigil. Sigil magic is a form of chaos magic. So this is where you use a symbol and set your intentions and you release it. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to create your sigil. So the first thing is determine your intention. What do you want to manifest? What is it? Simple. Whether it's a car, whether it's a new characteristic, whether it's, any type of tangible thing, or manifest a relationship, whatever it is that you want to manifest, that's for you. And I suggest you manifest something positive. We can do this, right? So first and foremost, set your intention. The next thing is, once you set your intention, and I'll have this video coming up after this, you obscure your intention. So that's when you go in and actually make the sigil. So once you design your sigil, you make it personalized for yourself, then you're on to your next step, baby. Once you charge your sigil and you set your sigil, it's time for you to forget your sigil. It's just like those things when they say when you pray for something, you let it go, let God have it, or when you're manifesting something, or when you're meditating on something, you spend that time, you give it that energy, and then you keep it moving. Now, trust me, I know you guys may be leery if this is your first time finding out about sigil magic, but baby, when I tell you this is on point, I'll give you a personal story of mine. I was just writing sigils and making sigils one night late at night, and I said, this when I first got on TikTok, and I said I wanted to go viral on TikTok. Well, 2 days later, I had 100,000 views on one of my videos, and actually the video was me talking about being a bruja and having Florida water in the video. So guys, trust me, sigil magic, chaos magic is lit. It's something that I use. It's something that my friends use. I've been using it for a while now, and I've seen results. So I decided to make this video and share it to all of the people that follow the Vegan Foodie, because I want everyone to have the life that they desire and have happiness in their life. So I'm going to show you how to make a sigil coming up next. So the first thing first with making your sigil is coming up with a positive statement. So you don't want to write statements such as I will, I want, I desire. You want to eliminate any statements that's not of the present and does not reflect you currently having the particular thing that you are desiring with creating your sigil. So I was watching another YouTube video, and they use this sentence, so I'm gonna recreate this sentence and apply it to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna put this video has 1,000 views, right? So that's pretty much present, saying this video has 1,000 views. Hopefully by the time you see it, this statement will be applicable. So now, when you're creating your statement, you want to make sure that you say something that is in the present, something that is positive. You don't want to say something that is negative, and you don't want to say something that goes against what you want to achieve. Now, the next thing is you go through your sentence and you cross out all the repeated letters and vowels. So let's start with I. So you cross out I. Leave that I. Cross out E. Leave that E. Excuse my handwriting. Cross out O. Leave that O. A. Leave that A, and then you go to your other letters. Now, cross out T, leave that T, H, leave that H, S, V, D, I forgot to add the U, N, and W, right? So now you cross out that statement. So now when you create your sigil, it doesn't have to look completely perfect. You just need to create it and have your own flair and have your own energy put into it. So let's create the sigil. So you take each letter and you create a symbol. So I'm going to create a symbol. It doesn't have to be perfect. Remember I said that you just use all the letters. You can cross them out as you do them. And you can draw whatever you want. If you want to draw hearts, you want to personalize it, draw stars, you know. I'm not a good drawer, guys, so please forgive me. Whatever you want to do, you make this sigil yours, right? You guys see that? So this is my sigil, right? So now, the next step. So you take this piece of paper, and hopefully you guys see it well. As you You see, I'm tearing off the other pieces. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be yours. See? Now what I do is I fold it up and I meditate with it in my hand for 30 minutes. I put my full energy, I put my full love, all my intention into it. And then there's two ways. If you want to have quick results, you can burn this and give it to the universe. Or if you have an altar, you can store it, hide it on your altar. And then maybe once a week, you can go in and charge it up until you manifest it. Or you can put it in your wallet and just carry it with you. But just charge this baby up with all of your positive energy, and then either burn it or put it away, hide it in your wallet, or put it on your altar. And once a week charge it. Depends on how big depends on what you're asking for and how big the thing is you're asking for, or if it's something that you want in your life, like if it's something, a statement that you want to just be a continuous thing in your life, you keep it on you. And this right here, trust me, this is a wonderful way to manifest what you desire. Sigil magic has been something that I've been using for the past 2 years, and I'm very happy with it. So hopefully this video gives you a quick and easy way in how to do sigil magic. So hopefully that was quick and easy for you guys. You guys, if you have any questions, comment below. You can DM me at The Vegan Foodie. Stay tuned for more, because I have more coming up, more food, more spiritual things that I do to enhance my life, more books, more things that I've done personally that have enhanced my life. And also I do have some reviews coming up, because I'm getting a lot of comments of people asking me to do follow-ups on certain things. So those videos are coming up soon, okay? So make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And if you're on TikTok, holla at your girl. But first and foremost, I send you guys love and light. And I'm out of here. Peace.